Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Edifier is back with a new pair of earbuds. They are the W240TN and I do wish they gave their products much easier names. They sent a pair over to us to have a look at with a retail price of $79.99 here in the UK. I'm classing these as mid-tier buds. There are cheaper from Edifier and other brands, but there are also some that are double the price. With that in mind, let's have a look. Been a while since I last tried some buds from Edifier, but straight away I get the feeling they have improved the packaging and the unboxing experience. It feels a little bit more premium. As you can see, we've got this hinged box that opens up and shows the case for the buds. Within the top section of the box is a thinner box housing a USB-C cable for charging, some instructions, and different sized rubber tips that you need to pop out like pills, which is a first for me. The charging case is about average in size when I'm comparing it to the AirPods 3 or Marshall Motive cases that I've got here on my desk. It's lightweight, it's got a single linear indicator light to the front and will illuminate when the lid is open, showing you what's happening. To the rear is a single push button for pairing and the USB-C port for charging. This case comes in a matte black finish, as do the buds, but there is also a white option available too. As for the buds themselves, the case and rubber tip are comparable to others, but they have this extra section at the front that includes a single push button and the Edifier logo. Glossy black base, satin grey outer section, and overall I think they look pretty good, subtle, practical, and not too in your face. The initial worry for me is the shape and size of the bud without any further support from any rubber wings. How secure and comfortable will these be? Will I be able to use them while exercising? We'll get onto that in a little bit. Spec-wise, dual dynamic drivers, 10 and 6mm, Bluetooth 5.3, active noise cancellation, which is nice to see at this price point. Battery life is circa 25 hours with up to 7 hours in the buds. They're IP55, you can pair them with the Edifier app for some EQ options, and they offer fast charge, so 10 minutes of charging equals 2 hours of playback. However, the carry case doesn't allow wireless charging, which is a shame. The first time using the buds, I instantly heard quality. Performance out of the box is very good with ANC on. By chance, some classic Usher came on and I had that 90s punchy bass and R&B sound, and my initial thought was, yeah, these sound pretty good. Default EQ with ANC on, it is a slightly bass heavy sound profile and it's not overpowering in any way, but it would be better suited to something like rap or R&B or those similar bass heavy genres. Switching it up and putting on some new rock music, I now feel the bass sounds a little bit off. It's muddying the guitars and vocals, and that's where the EQ options come into play. Default EQ is classic, which is what I had selected when listening to the previous albums. However, there is another option, dynamic, which actually solved the change or maybe drop in performance while listening to some rock music. It's made the music brighter, there is more clarity, and although there is still a nice amount of bass, there is emphasis on the vocals and the other instruments. There are just two default EQ options, but there is a customization option too, where you can create your own. It's a matter of moving sliders up and down on the app to adjust the EQ. The changes are in real time, so you can easily adjust on the fly and get the buds sounding how you want them. Then you can save it and switch between EQs as and when. There is also a game mode if you wanted to do some mobile gaming with low latency, which worked fine. I don't tend to do much mobile gaming, but yeah, it seemed okay. The noise cancellation works well, although it's hard to tell how much the active part offers. Due to a snug fit, there is ample passive noise cancellation. Switching between ANC on and off, I think there is a difference, but I wouldn't say it was obvious or a drastic improvement. However, the active and passive combined provide a really good amount of cancellation for me. Typing up the review with the earbuds in, it was near on silent. I couldn't hear the kids downstairs unless they were practically shouting my name, and the sound of cars was dampened when walking the dog. Remember earlier I mentioned support and comfort of the buds? Well, I'm pleasantly surprised and they appear to be near on perfect for me. Snug fit for my ears, and I'd even go as far as say they're okay for fitness too. I used them for a spin class, and yes, I did have to adjust and check they were in my ears okay a couple of times, but overall the support was good and far better than some other buds I've tried. I tried a class with my AirPods once before and they just constantly fell out, and they are utterly useless for fitness. Controls work well. There is a push button so you can find them easily and you know when you've pressed them or not. Controls are detailed in the instructions. There are various commands you can use for pressing or holding down. If you're one of those that like to have just one bud in at any time, you can do that. You can put one back in the case and have just one in your ear. However, that means the audio doesn't automatically pause when you take one of the buds out, which I know some people do like. Battery appears to be there or thereabouts what Edifier are stating, which is fine for me. However, I would have really liked to have seen that wireless charging. I'm so used to having that now in other buds. It really annoys me that I have to physically plug these in. Lastly, the microphone quality is good. I took a handful of calls using the buds and had no complaints. The people on the other end of the line could hear me loud and clear. So there we have it. They were the Edifier W240TN earbuds, and all things considered, I am really impressed. At less than £80, they offer a lot of value for money, and the quality equals or exceeds that price tag. I also think in time, the price will come down, making them even more of a bargain. That is a wrap on this video. If you have stuck around until the end, then thank you very much. And if you want to see more videos from us in the future, hit that subscribe button and all our future videos will pop up in your feed.